Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It is Wednesday, the 4th of December. This is our midweek update. We have a very quiet and dull market here right now that is melting up. You can see this slow, steady grind upwards here. And here we are at another new all-time high up at 607.52 into the top of the Bollinger Band on the SPY. Volume is, we were talking about how low volume's been for a while. It's gotten absolutely pathetic this week. This is day three, and you can see here we are, 24 million shares at this point with 20 minutes to go. And to put this in perspective, we used to average around 16 million shares an hour a year ago on the first hour. And, we're doing like 5 to 8 right now. And volume's just way down in this market. What we're seeing up here, in my opinion, is that we're not finding any sellers yet. You're not getting a lot of buyers, you're not seeing sellers, so there's a little bit of chase coming in, and there's this constant grind up. And this is, if you're not in, it's very tough to get in the market up here. I've been lightening up and doing things, but overall, SPY still feels good. We're still well above the 8 day, not extended, not hot. You can see the oscillators are basically neutral. There's not a lot not to like about this market. The Qs, very similar. Nice big move up here. IWM, well, not so great today, but holding. Energy remains very weak. Chris gave a nice call out that if crude remains weak, energy's going to follow it. And now you're in that gap. The financials weakened, but are coming back up. It's, between the 8 and the 21 day, they're just out of play here. The SMHs are trying to wake up, but they're struggling. A nice move there today. Marvel with a blowout move today in quarter. Great move up there. Um, Not everything followed. AMD is still struggling, but it is above yesterday's high, and maybe there's a trade to be had here tomorrow. Nvidia, nice move today, but it wasn't easy. This was on my radar pre-market, and here's your drop. And unfortunately, I went to lunch around 11:30, and that's when the move went. By the time I got back, it was well on its way. And it's just one of those things. You don't catch it if you're not in front of your screen. But overall, Nvidia is looking better and perking up, and the semis can lead us if they want to rotate into that. Meta put another new all-time high into that. I'm out of that one from now. Amazon put another new all-time high in at 220 today. I have sold another tranche of my Amazon shares, so very little left there. Microsoft had a strong day. It's trying to break out of this little range here. Apple did nothing. Netflix, a new all-time high. So we've seen this rotation into tech. Square, big move going for the 100 area. This is a new multi-year high. Even Google woke up today. Nice big move here on Google. It's in this gap. This gap is going to fill up here at, oh, what is the number there? 175.98. What else today? What else did I trade? I traded coin today a couple times. Nice move there. Just did a nice trade on MSTR. Big move up there. Now back to the highs. Roku still in a little bit. Been trading that since this morning. Big move here on Needham saying they're going to get bought out for a huge premium. I agree they're going to get bought out. I don't agree on a huge premium, but hey, that's me. And this is where we're at. The market's holding on great. It's strong. You're getting rotation of names. Oh, Tesla. Gotta talk Tesla here. Tesla waking up here late. Is this getting ready to break that 350, 60 area needs to break now. But overall, it's trying to wake back up. It looks good. We can rotate back into there. The crypto names look good. The way this market's trading right now, it can rotate around and it keeps the market from getting overheated. We're not moving up rapidly, so there's no overheating on the indexes. They trade names for a couple of days and they move on to the next. And what we're good at in this room, what we do well is we go out and we find where the action is that day, whether it's through news or option flow or just seeing the volume come in. So anyway, that's the kind of market we're trading. I hope you're all doing well. We're in the holiday season, and I'll catch you guys all bright and early in the AM in the room.